So today I really only want to be risking 500 to a band. So let me change this shit. Personal daily loss limit. Let me change this to um fuck 1250. Let me do that. Do that. That'll give me two. That'll give me 1%. 1250.
Another thing too, I don't really trade like the open.
Yeah, me either.
I like that shit.
The 930 shit. Yeah, I'm past that, bro. That shit, not the move. Last like before Friday, the 930 opening was like giving smooth setups, but like I just one thing I'm starting to learn, if you don't think you can do that same shit for the whole year, then you don't need to be doing it.
Yeah, yeah.
Like that comes from like taking profit. Cause like on that move, I caught 2,000, but one of my accounts got max liquidated because when I caught the first half of that drop, I'm supposed to get out. I'm not supposed to take no more profit on nothing like more than 90 points. It's just like a humbling thing for me. If I catch 90 points in one day, like I'm good. So I caught the 90, and then I saw that shit keep dropping, and I got back in. Of course, price retraced, max liquidated, and that shit just really taught me like your discipline. Like I felt so good, and it was my first day back since then. So it's like I felt so good seeing like, damn, I can really catch like some really nice shit. But I had broke my discipline, bro. So I felt so like, just
Yeah,
I felt
I
like,
get
you
it.
know, they posting that clarity. I was
I
like,
get it. Believe me, I get it.
I was like, nah, that's not cool. So it just taught me about my greed. It taught me about a lot of shit, bro. It really did. And it just made me want to be like, nah, let me be disciplined. Like, it's really not the money, it's the discipline, bro. Like, you gotta have the discipline. Got to.
I 1,000% agree with you, bro. Like, this point on point, you're not gonna be on point.
But this shit, bro, this shit is like, I was going through some shit with my ex and shit too. I'm like, okay, I'm already feeling in the down in the dumps about this. Like, I'm like, bro, trading really do not have to be this fucking depressing, bro. Like, and I'm tired of this shit feeling so bad. So let me just like let go and just do what the fuck I'm supposed to do and relax. Shit been smooth since then.
Getting in an argument with your lady before trading is not the weed, bro. I'll tell you that right now.
Nigga, I'm late because my brother want to talk to me about like I hate when niggas talk to me about bills and money before I'm about to trade.
Yeah, yeah.
Nigga, I just said I'm about to go trade. Can you please talk to me about this shit later?
I
Like,
told my lady already, like, yo, if we got an issue, we do not do that in the morning.
no, not in, that's what I'm saying. I'm realizing like niggas really don't like. It's not that they don't respect it, but they just don't get the mental clarity that you trying to like show up to this shit with. So it's like, nigga, you talking to me about some shit you could have talked to me about yesterday, later
In the
on,
afternoon. Talk to me at 12 about
and I'm telling you, I'm about to trade, nigga. Like, it ain't like I'm not about to go play 2K or go roll up. Like, nigga, I'm trying to trade. Leave me the fuck alone. We a rest from that, Troy.
it.
Pre-game.
Right to the back, all the way to the back. Like you're funding.
I know the nine. I know the 930 on bullshit. Alright.
Just respecting this level.
So okay, boom. We swept Asia's lows. I ain't gonna lie. I don't even be looking at this shit until like 9:40 for real. Cause, but yeah, we holding strong at them Asia lows. Mm-hmm.
Holding up there at 600s now.
So let me set my alerts.
I'm gonna try a short on that retest.
See, he in that motherfucker
Stop is at the high of those candles.
early.
Try to get a move down through this low now.
Mm-hmm. Keep my 15-minute chart on.
Go a little lower, I guess now.
Yeah, I think the market is just manipulating. We gotta fucking wait.
Giving us some room here. You can see where this 1 minute candle closes now. 5 seconds. I want it to close bearish. There we go. Now see if we can't roll through here. We're gonna get through this 90 level.
So you're trading on the 3 minute?
Yeah, I don't really want to just dig too deep right now into like what the 3 minute is doing right now because I'm trying to wait until 9:45, and I know all that movement because I told you I'm sitting in the trade so long, so I don't want to overthink what I'm seeing. But right now, it's looking like this liquidity at Asia's lows is really holding, and it's right at the CE of this fair value gap. So I'm waiting to see if this gets inverse or displaced through. Like that's what I want to see.
Starts to sell down.
But this level right here is showing a lot of strength.
Basically just want to keep that price below 630s.
But that's why I wait until the time that I wait to. Because once we start breaking through this, I'm gonna clear up this zone.
The amazing part about trading is just learning to be patient, bro. Just sitting on your hands and just.
Most definitely. That's what I'm learning. That's why a lot of the times, like, I just get up. I just get up, squeeze my little rubber ball.
Here, getting the move. Alright, can we get through the 80s here next? I just take it right there. Let's still lock that in. Now it's gonna. Oh, it's still a nice little 30 pointer. I'll take it for now. Now she's gonna go. Get the 1 minute orb. Amen. If this pushes back up, gets stuck there at 600 again, I might try another short. You're right, got out too fast. Playing out pretty nicely on the 5 minute chart right now. I want to just get through this higher low first. That was kind of my original plan.
So what kind of music you be listening to?
When I'm trading, I don't listen to music while I'm trading. I be listening to
So let's see
scripture.
if we can't get
Okay.
a little bit of.
It depends. Some days, it depends on how I'm feeling. This is my first day back. I want to be kind of like
Get that
still.
bear flag there, right?
Like on Friday, I was listening to trap music while the trade was going. It just depends. Okay, I like what I'm seeing though. But we about to close through this.
Key level now. Ooh. Too much
I'm looking to see what we're gonna do at this 530 level.
5:30. Oh yeah, that's right there at them lows. Okay. Are we gonna take out one of these lows?
Still going lower.
It just depends.
Oh Lord. Well, there you go. It's still dumping. We shorted there at the 609s, and that's about another 40 points for anybody who's counting. If you want to go ahead and count it out, well, then look at it, it's still going. It's off the
530.
charts.
Okay, I can move Asia shit because it's not really that
Don't
important no more.
All right. Well, either way, we need
Yeah,
some
let me
kind of
just
like
use London
retest
right
here.
now for today. Keep
We're
it cool.
still short from earlier. Oh Lord.
I feel like we're in such a weird spot.
Broke right through the 530s.
Someone said, honest question, why did I take profit? I mean, in hindsight, I look like a genius, right? I mean, in hindsight, I look like an idiot. But
Okay, we got
if the market would
displacement,
have bounced off that
we got
previous area,
breaking structure.
then I look like a genius. So it is what it is.
Yeah, I expected 930 to give us a good
24,500.
good draw on liquidity.
Was like fucking A. That's 100 points, by the way. Anybody who's counting now, that short there from the 609s down there to the 500s.
Yeah, this shit's just going through levels right now.
Fucking
Yep.
A. Someone said 1 minute momentum is dying out. Well, it looks like it's picking up here.
So we got a liquidity sweep. We got a breaking structure towards the downside. We're inversing a bullish fair value gap on the hourly time frame, letting me know that we do have a lot of bearish momentum in. I want to see a bearish fair value gap.
Now.
That's what I want to see.
All right, so that
And we got a 15-minute breaking
exactly
structure.
kind
That's
of,
good.
What
That is
we were
good.
looking for. The 5-minute range, there was no candle on top of that nothing.
Okay.
No wick. Look at those 2 5-minute candles, just dump.
Breaking structure.
This is beautiful. I need to go load up my account.
It do look nice. That's why I'm like, shit, I gotta be patient today. I gotta be patient today because price looking nice. And this is when that motherfucker want to manipulate.
All right, we broke right through the 500s now.
Just trying to bounce right here, maybe.
I think there'd have to be some kind of retest here.
Maybe not.
Especially on that 1-minute chart. We took out the overnight low now. It's been done to the downside there.
Are we gonna inverse this fair value gap? Or are we gonna hold? Right there at the previous day low. I may be jumping in early. Yeah, I knew it. Okay, how are we gonna react to these fair value gaps? All right, that's what we getting. This shit lining up beautifully. I'm not even gonna cap.
Don't just get short just because.
Right.
We already took out that overnight low. That was kind of the initial idea, right? We sell off, break this trend to the downside, got short there at the 600s, and now it'll push back up. So.
Yeah, I don't even want to look at them. Okay, where would my draws on liquidity be if I was to take a sell? Is there any liquidity below? Okay, we got previous week low that market may want to go towards. And then we have this liquidity support right here. Yeah. But I want to see a valid retest, and I don't like how big my stop loss would be right there.
Trying to get a little pushback up here. I want to try to short again. Just want some kind of like more pushback up here first.
I like going short, but I'm going to stay disciplined because I ain't got all what I need just yet. Not just yet.
There's a lot of energy in the market right now.
A whole lot. Yeah, that's why I'm like, let me. But I see my setup lining up, but I know I could get manipulated, so I'm going to wait. But right now, looking at it though, my confluences, I see some stuff, but I need to let time and show me what it really want to show me, cause price be on that bullshit. We gonna wait. But I like my setup. On the 15 minute, I don't like it.
Letting that 15-minute range play out right now, giving it
Right.
some room here. I think there will be a good short. Just gotta be
I like the
careful.
short here, but I don't want to take this shit.
Yeah, it's just too. Yeah, yep. That energy right now.
Oh, they got faked out right there. See?
That flip.
I
9:45
know
gonna let us
a
know.
little bit of a track back to the upside here, but sometimes you just don't get it.
But I do see draws on liquidity on both sides though. Like I see London high. We got some equal highs right here that price may want to come get. It just depends on what happens right here.
Where am I at right now? I'm out in the desert, man. I'm in the desert, man. Having trouble getting back above 500 there, so let's see what happens to this little candle right now.
I need to go to the bank. I mean, I need to. I
We have any
need my
news
account.
today?
It's dropping.
Alright, I'm gonna FOMO into this short here now.
Yeah, on God, I feel him though. I feel him though. I see what he see, but nah, I'm not gonna do that though. I'm not gonna do it.
I'm not doing it.
I feel him though. On God, I feel him. Or is he just bullshitting?
No, he jumped in. He's short. 5 contracts short.
Yeah, if I would have went in, it would have went 5 too. But
You want to move though?
yeah, I hit that shit for sure.
Had that quick money there for a second.
I ain't did hook in a minute. I know I'm about to be talking.
Just take it right there.
Yeah, I never got this retracement, so I'm not just jumping in.
Sometimes
It looked good on the 1 minute too. Yeah, yeah, I saw it, but nah.
you know, there she goes now. She's going lower.
I need to see some type of retracement. I done came too far to go back to my
Down
old
to the
ways.
30s now. The shorts are in control here. Like I said, another bear flag there.
Yeah. Now we still could get a retracement. I need to see some type of play action. So now this 1 hour fair value gap done got inverse. So let me.
Like, I'm looking at this 300 level. That's just where I want to get a long at my long term.
You saying if you want to get in for a buy? Yes, that's literally right at. It's like we don't trade the same, but our levels are the same, bro. We got the same ideology, literally, because that would be a good ass place to buy.
We're filling that Sunday gap now.
Mm-hmm.
There's 15-minute candle, yo. Shit.
We're trying to fill it basically. That would put us down there to like 24,175.
So I'm gonna wait for this to play out. I want my short in here.
Will D Money return for the
If I
mornings?
take it.
Right now he's doing the afternoons.
I'm still looking short.
I'm in California right now, so D Money's in Florida.
Oh shit.
The Bears are in control. You can see the 5-minute
There you go, Trump.
range, the break to the downside, another 5-minute candle to the downside, another candle down there to the downside. So down there to the 430s now.
We're gonna get a retracement. We're gonna get one.
We got a pivot point down there at the 388s next. Our first short there at the 609s is printing right now. Fucking A, look at that thing. Still going lower, still going lower. Still going
Okay,
lower.
I'm my session active now. So see what we got.
Hey man, who would have thought making money would be this easy? Who would have thought making money would be this fucking easy?
Break a structure right here. I got bearish displacement. I got everything I need to get in short. All I'm waiting for is a break and retest on this fair value gap, which price is starting to come back up.
All right. So now we need kind of another a setup here on that bigger time frame, right? Let this retrace that 15-minute candle some.
I could have got in on that fair value gap, but I don't like that stop loss placement, so I'm not gonna do it.
I'll be waiting for like a good 5-minute setup here now.
I don't like the stop loss placement on that entry either, so I'm still not gonna do that.
So that's how you place your orders like that.
Yeah, I'm really reacting to price like on the fly though. You see what I'm saying? So, yeah, this is how I get an idea like of where I would want to enter and where I would like want to get out. But honestly, I don't like the 3-minute chart with this volatility. I like the 1-minute chart. But I don't really want to trade the 1-minute chart. But that's why I'm really trying to go to this 3-minute and just see, because we got so many fair value gaps that we reacting to. But I want to wait for a good reaction to a 3-minute one because I know what's going on right now. We in this hourly fair value gap, and price closed outside of it. But I want to see, are we going to close outside of it with displacement? And we haven't closed outside of it with displacement yet. So this could be one big liquidity sweep. So I want to wait for the best setup, and that'll be like this right here.
All right, let's do a little poll.
Like, we could have took some shorts, but it's just like,
Green or red.
if I place my trade and I walk away for an hour, is it more if it's more likely to work out in my favor or work against me? That's what I'm starting to think.
I tried to get long there this morning. That's the only way you're red. The only book.
Key right though. Your ass went long. You ready as fuck. We retracing. Okay.
I don't think they short right here. I'm gonna tell you my entry. My entry would be underneath 83.
Yeah. I feel that. I feel that wholeheartedly, and I'm looking at that exact same setup. Only reason why I don't want to get in right, man, it looked good though. I'm not gonna lie.
All right, we got 85%.
It's just my stop loss. I don't like how my stop loss would look right there.
That's better than popular standards in the market if you think about it. 90% of day traders lose, but 85% of the people who watch
You still retracing?
make money. I mean, right now it's somebody said they're done for the day. Nothing wrong with that, right? Nothing wrong with that. You can see here these lucid accounts. We're up $1,400 just trading one contract per account.
That nigga went federal.
Consistency here with these direct to funded accounts. They are currently on sale.
Are you in the short? Oh, you got the order in.
Be patient. Let's see what happens.
I'm not gonna lie, that do look good though.
Because if you look on the 5-minute chart, no reason to really get short here right now.
It looked good if we didn't have all these fucking internal liquidity above that the market is trying to come get. I think we're trying to get London's highs now. Like, what is this draw on liquidity for this macro? We took out the liquidity from previous day low. We took out London's low. Are we gonna respect these fair value gaps? Are we gonna respect this level?
Order might be at 93 now.
Someone goes, how do you just keep on winning? Honestly, the best way to win is to.
I see that. I see that. I see that. Yeah, I feel that too.
Would have been in right there. Boom, would have been done. Fuck. Should have kept the order there. Alright, I'm okay with that.
Yeah, I don't want to take that.
At the 20.
The 21 EMA.
I don't want to take that yet. I want to wait and see what happened right here at this bullish fair value gap. I still think we got draws above. I still think we got some draws above. Let me wait.
Could be your higher low there. I mean, your lower high.
I'm
Let's see how this
being
candle
patient.
goes. Just don't want to short right into this first little candle down here.
Yeah. Getting a little anxious though, because I seen my setup and I didn't take it.
See? Be careful.
Yeah, I know the feeling. That's why I'm like, nah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Question is, am I gonna take an aggressive entry if I get the reaction that I want?
It's a lot of energy and shit. That's why
No, it is.
these candles are too big for my trading strategy.
Kind of nice little.
It definitely is a lot of shit going
I
on.
do like the short still though.
I'm gonna try this short.
I do. I see what
Stop
you see.
above that high there, and
Short
see
at
if we can get a
72.
new low coming up here.
There it is, 72, 72. Oh, beautiful.
Risk to
Beautiful.
reward, you know, that's all it is,
Beautiful.
man.
Keep dropping.
If it gets up real quick, I might just take it off at the 50. See
Beautiful.
what
That's a
happens.
good trick. I see it. Can't do it though. Beautiful. Done. Already done again.
You doing all right? I promise you, you're doing all right.
Yeah, sure, bro. I see the sellers, but I'm just.
I think we about to fill in the rest of this internal liquidity. I don't know, but I see the short chart. I for sure see it. I for sure see that motherfucker. It's taking everything. Emily not getting it. Only reason why I'm not getting in it is because if I got a 30-point stop loss, it's not gonna cover this high. But I like it though. But I'm just gonna wait until I see one that I really, really like after 10 o'clock. It may be a no trade day. I don't know, but I ain't forcing
Like
it.
the 519s above the high. This candle.
Yeah. Okay. I want to go long and go for these internal, but I ain't gonna do it. I'm just gonna wait. Wait for the retracement. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Good shit, twin. Good shit. Good patience.
Look at that. Gotta be more patient.
Great patience. Why do we wait? Because we got internal liquidity up here that we know price may want to seek out before it goes to the downside. So that's beautiful patience right there. I'm loving the growth.
What are
Loving
the
it.
chances? What are the chances?
So now we breaking above the previous level of breaking structure with displacements looking like. How are we reacting to this bearish fair value gap? Yeah, most definitely. Because I think we took out this liquidity and I think we about to retrace. But I want to wait and see. So now we got a setup towards the longs too.
Holding there above the under 500s now. So.
Mm-hmm.
That was really just the fact that I needed to wait for that 5 minute better
Exactly.
setup, right?
So now we got our yesterday's low liquidity sweep. Now we're getting a market structure shift pivot point towards the upside. And I'm not looking to necessarily switch my bias, but I'm looking on both sides now. Because I got a liquidity sweep right here. I got a market structure shift. I'm getting some bullish displacement. We're getting closer to 10 o'clock. Right, and I want to see how are we going to inverse this bearish fair value gap on the 3 minute, or are we going to respect it? If we inverse it, then I'm going to go long with my draws on liquidity toward London's highs. If we respect it, then I'm going to continue with my short bias. But I'm loving the way the longs is looking right now. I'm lining up for longs.
You see that push back up there real strong.
But we are at an imbalance. We had a huge imbalance, so I need to wait and see what happens.
Once we held above those 500, that's where I was looking to get out of that short.
Okay, we are respecting that level, but we got this bullish fair value gap right here. What's gonna happen right there? That's what I want to see. I'm honestly probably gonna line up after 10 o'clock because we got 5 minutes. And I don't want to get manipulated, and then I can catch the top of the hourly candle. So I'm thinking, oh shit, a 30-point stop loss is not gonna work today. Market is too volatile. Oh shit.
If you get stopped out on the short and this
We gotta trade small today.
squeeze back up, it's okay to be along sometimes. Look, it's still going
5. Yeah, we may be trading 5 contracts today. Dead ass. Okay. Now we right here at this level. Is price gonna respect this structure?
5 minute chart, we should have been more patient on.
Yup. Good patience today. Beautiful. My fault, bro. Yeah. Okay. This is beautiful. This is not beautiful. Now, can we get a retracement into the long setup?
What would D-Money
Yes. $56. Can I get a better stop though? And we got plenty of action for price to retrace into. I think I'm long. I don't
We
know.
got the V bought there at the 650s. We got a pivot point there. So basically now, if we're gonna break out to the upside, we could go for that gap fill from yesterday, maybe.
I want to see price retrace bearish off of this fair value gap and then give us some type of entry for a long
Do you feel like
right
working
here.
with D Money has made you more patient?
Let me stay on the 3 minutes so I'll stay patient.
No. He goes, hey Patrick, when you leave the Airbnb, leave the keys on the table. You think this Airbnb has keys, you fucking peasant? You think the Airbnb
Okay.
Airbnb
We
has
got this
keys?
15-minute bearish fair value gap. What's going to happen right there? We got 3 minutes. I should have entered off of the displacement, but I'm waiting on a retrace. I'm not going to get FOMO. I know why I waited.
I mean, I don't know why anyone's trying to troll me right now because I'm at an Airbnb. Wow. Oh my God. He's at an Airbnb, everybody. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. He's so broke. He's at an Airbnb. Like, well, oh. Is it bad to go to an Airbnb? I didn't know.
Okay,
I
so
said, hey guys, look at my new house. I'm in California for a week. And I rented a house to stream and to stay. I didn't know
I'm
that was
liking how price is retracing off of this bearish fair value gap. We got 3 minutes until the 10 o'clock candle opens.
should have bought a house.
I want to wait for 10 o'clock to show me more specifically what price is looking to do. Right now, I'm looking bullish with an entry at 24,514.
So the 5 minute chart getting stuck there at the 20.
But I want to see a good breaker candle entry if I do go long, so I can make sure structure is providing me the right narrative. My draws and liquidity right now are definitely toward like London's highs, or at least these equal highs that are resting right here at 24655. So depending on what 10 o'clock gives me right here and how we react to this bullish fair value gap, hopefully I can get an entry right here. Because I like what I see, but I'm understanding that we are in bearish structure and our EMAs are above. So I'm playing it more safe today than usual.
I mean, it's kind of like flagging here a little bit.
About the 61.
2 minute chart right now.
Okay, 10 o'clock may go ahead and push up towards our draws. We're going to wait and see. 10 o'clock look like it may come out with some momentum.
Why don't you say when you blow accounts, hey everybody, I blew all my accounts. I have no money left. Please donate.
Let's wait and see. Damn, I didn't realize that it was
Alright, I'm gonna try
so much volatility.
Here. The stop below this. I kind of FOMO'd into this. See if we can't get up there through the 600s again.
We got 10 o'clock opening in a few seconds, so I'm looking more towards 10:06.
You live streaming right now?
I'm just recording it.
Okay.
Just recording it so I can go back and watch the film. I did really, really good being patient today. I'm not really feeling no FOMO right now, which is a great sign. Okay. Okay, so price is coming back down to our potential long entry. I know longing right now is even tripping me out, but it's not structure I'm looking at. It's the draws on liquidity. But I need confirmation before I take it, if I do take it. Now we are retesting CE of this bearish fair value gap, but we never close outside of it, making it inverse. So I'm not even gonna use that as a valid level of support.
Kind of was looking here at this flag type
So I'm
setup.
not taking any long entries
Really
off of
annoying
this
me.
bearish fair value gap right now
In
because it did
case
not get
right there
inverse.
on
If
the
I
2
see
minute
price
chart,
shoot
the
up
1 minute
outside of
chart
this,
above those
I gotta
EMAs
just
as
bite that
well. We
bullet
got the opening range high 640,
until this gets
the
displaced out of and then
oversubstantial
retest it.
midpoint up there as well. So let's see if we can't get some momentum to the
But
other side here.
I'm
Looks like
liking
the US is kind of already pushing.
London's highs. I'm definitely liking
To the
London's
upside
highs.
there, Nasdaq's trying to push here, so
Missed the long entry on this too, man.
I like it.
I don't know. I'm gun shy right now. I just know I need one trade. I think that's what's fucking me up, you know.
Yeah, probably just. And then the market is kind of moving like a little crazy right now. No cap. You just gotta really be patient. But this liquidity sweep and this pivot point that we got outside of this liquidity sweep with this displacement is beautiful.
Fucking Ruben. Why you gotta, why, Ruben? Like, why do you have to say that shit right now? So stupid. Hey, Ruben, in the future, like, if I'm in a trade and I'm not short, don't fucking say shorts are coming, you know? Like, just let me be, just let me live my life, you know? God. Like, everybody, like, I'm long and Ruben's gotta be, shorts are coming. Okay. Thanks, Ruben. Good to know. Good to know,
And then if we
Ruben.
sweep London's highs, do we have more liquidity above? Yeah, we got plenty of liquidity above. The market may be going long.
Ruben's so nice. Thank you, Ruben. All right, I took a
Plenty.
profit. Ruben said shorts are coming. Let's see what happens next.
What happens right here?
You're surprised I'm long, but like, why even say it? You know, like, you know I'm long right there. Just like hold your peace. You know, tell me later. Tell
Let
me
me
later.
move.
But like, see, I knew it
I'm
was
lining
gonna
shit up
trade
that do
back.
not need to be
Don't tell
lined
me
up.
while
Let me
I'm
get
in the
back
trade, you
focused.
know.
Get back focused. Line this
Don't
shit
tell me
up.
while I'm in the fucking trade.
You got into a position yet?
Hell no. Fuck no. No.
Oh God.
No. I'm so fucking proud of myself. Not. I ain't get an entry yet. I see one. I'm hot though. I'm hot. I'm hot. I need some good confirmation. But I'm hot though. I got 17 minutes until my first macro session is over. So we just are gonna try and stay disciplined for another 17 minutes.
Just holding up there.
I like how this level is holding right here though, but I'm still not gonna take it. I'm still not gonna take it. I'm just gonna wait because I can't really trust the 1 minute like that.
We are up 2,400 across 5 Lucid directive funded accounts now. So that's a good day. That's
Only reason why I'm not just jumping in the longs is because we still got to get above
Ruben,
this
this gets
bearish structure,
higher.
and we got another
Yes.
bearish fair
What is
value
that?
gap
What
right
is that,
here,
motherfucker?
offering me some
I
turbulence, and I don't
literally
want to
read
just be
something
taking
like over there. I was
trades right here where it's like so much
10%
turbulence. I don't
against
want to
the
do
dude.
that. I don't even want to do that. Okay.
Like half the Gilmore.
Even though I did have faith in that long, I just don't want to get manipulated. It's before
Yeah,
10:06.
man. Look at this. God fucking damn it. Why do I read the chat? I should never read the chat ever.
Damn.
Don't read the chat.
Yeah, I knew it was gonna happen. I just didn't have an entry. I never got an entry. I know this was a good level to take go long off of, but I just didn't want to take
God
it right
fucking
there.
damn it. Fuck.
So now we're gonna wait for a reaction at London's highs. It's all good. Like, it's all good.
Fucking Ruben.
We still got this bearish fair value gap that price got to get above.
God fucking damn it, Ruben.
I figured we was going long, so I figured that was gonna happen. I just never got a pullback
Just
to
like wait till
enter
I'm
off
not
of.
in the fucking trade, you know?
I'm just waiting for something clean.
Yeah, like it's not like
I was looking for
longs
something
were
clean that
cool, but I
worked.
never got a retracement.
It's fucked up. Fucked up, man. That's
It's looking like a second macro type of trading day. I like longs, but I refuse. I like longs toward London's highs. I just refuse to jump in right now. I can't. I can't do it. I done came way too far for that. I can't do it. Ooh, I can't do it. I think we're gonna take out London's highs though, but I never got my entry, so I'm cooling. That shit gonna happen sometimes.
Roman,
Now that we have officially inversed that bearish fair value gap,
that was my. If this
I
hits
could go
16,
ahead and wait on the retest and take it. But being that momentum is so strong towards London's highs already, I don't even know if that would be like smart. But I'm gonna see. See now I got a PD array, like a actual valid PD array I could take a setup off of.
VWAP is at 640 just for the record.
That's some shit that I have no idea what it is.
Volume weighted average price. So that's this white line here.
Price draws toward that, or does it like serve as resistance?
A lot of people use it to buy and sell off of. So
Except
as it
for
gets
this one.
closer, people will short off of it or buy off of it depending on the prediction. There's people that just trade off of VWAP.
Oh man, I would have gotten filled right there,
I'm not.
man.
I haven't been successful with it, but I do see how it could
I
work.
would have gotten
I've
filled
seen
right
it work
here,
multiple
Ruben.
times. Clean pullback, bro. What is this clean pullback, please?
Yeah, it's like price is volatile, but it's not smooth. I don't know. It's not pulling back the right way right now. But shit, it didn't pull back at all. That motherfucker running.
Ruben, do that. I'm just kidding. I like Ruben. He's a funny guy. He's a funny guy. Right? I like him. We're just having a little bit of comedy. A little bit of comedy here, Ken. That's all. A little bit of comedy. By the way, Apex, 80% off, $85 PA fee right now going on. Use the code PW, the biggest, the largest. Big shout out to Trade of 8, Rock, the official trading platform of Caterpillar in the BDH. There's a link in the chat if you want to learn more. The premier
I ain't gonna lie.
platform of the BDH. If you want to trade with
This shit is perfect to do while you trade, bro. This shit calm you down.
one platform out there that can
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
Nah, that ain't the one I want for real. I want that, bro. I want to take that trade, but it's just too close to the middle of a range. What's up, bro? No. Okay, I had a good feeling that we was gonna get some type of bearish momentum outside of that fair value gap. Now, are we inverse this bearish fair value gap, right? What is gonna happen? Are we going to gain momentum? If we get some play action and get out of that, I will consider going long.
I told you it was a short. I told you. I already know it. Everybody already knows it.
I got 10 minutes on this session left.
Yo, I already know it. I know for sure.
I like shorts. I do, but no. That's your mind trying to fuck with you.
I told you it was a short. I told you.
Oh shit! Take my hand off that mouse. Stick to my setup.
There's price action right now.
I told you.
Okay.
I told you it was a short.
It's 10:10. We later into the macro. Let me read this 1 minute price action.
Big wick on the bottom. We had a wick on the top. They got a wick on the
Yeah, I see a lot of chop too, but
Could just be a fucking another shitty chop day here. After that big move down last Friday, you got to think it's still a battle, right?
yeah, that's what's
The
confusing
bears and
me.
the bulls are just kind of battling it out. Because I mean, technically, this move, you know, if it would have happened during market hours, that
Now
would
we
have
are
been
retesting this inverse bearish fair value gap.
the fact that it happened
You want to
overnight
smoke back on
and
Troy?
then just fucking chopped around. Reelan, how much was your Airbnb?
But we retesting off them EMAs, showing me some turbulence. So I'm just not gonna hop in right now. But if I get a bullish candle off of this, I could possibly want to go long.
I don't even look
But
at
my
the price
stops
action
wouldn't be in
because
the appropriate place.
just buy it. All right. Big difference between me and you, Chad. I'm the guy in the chat who's worried about the price of my Airbnb. Is that like is that are we am I now being trolled for renting an Airbnb? Is that the new thing now? Like he's so poor he had to rent an Airbnb. What a loser. What a loser. Fuck, it's getting tight here. Why are you so
This is
mad?
nasty price.
Order filled.
I'm long right there.
Why look mad? I'm sitting in my Airbnb in Hawaii.
I'm long right here. I'm assuming that my draws on liquidity are going to be at London's highs.
Talks about
I
short.
only got 300 at risk, so I'm not even bugging. Like if I lose that 375, that's cool. I feel like we about to go ahead and draw towards London highs right now.
God fucking damn it, Ruben. Where's your stop at, Ruben? Tell me right now. Where's your stop?
My stops is below this.
I'm getting
I'm
long.
getting in because we retesting off of this bearish inverse fair value gap. I know this could go against me, but I'm cool with it.
Okay, time to get long.
We retested. I got my 30-point stop loss on. My target is going to be at 24713.
I got long there earlier at the 575s. There's that push up there to the 633s now. I mean, now you just got to be kind of
Yes,
patient.
hello?
You got to get up here and take out that 680 level right where
Hey,
Ruben
good
stops
morning.
at.
Hello?
So management wise, once we get to our 1-to-1, we're going to close a few contracts.
Now, so I can't really do much. I wouldn't want to get long right to the top of this range. So,
Yeah, it's definitely a risky spot
be patient.
because we are at the top of this range, but
Ruben's stop is at 680. The market has to go there now. It knows. The market makers know.
2, 4, 5, 7, 8. Let me trust my system. Let me just trust the system. Definitely feeling some doubt. I don't like where we are at, but I'm going to just trust my edge.
Your stop is. They're coming for it. They're coming for it.
Okay, we got one more fair value gap to retest right here.
We got the ES broke out of the 15-minute range already there. To the upside through the VWAP as well.
Just be disciplined. Just be disciplined right here. I don't like the 30-point stop loss with all this volatility. That entry right there was pretty risky, but trying to see if these draws on liquidity is gonna hold out. I'm gonna definitely close some profit if we get 1-to-1.
What's your entry?
24609. Okay, I like how we got that reaction off of that bullish fair value gap. It's looking like we may shoot. I'm not sure. I need to see us get through this structure. I need price to give us some good momentum out of here. I like how this 1 minute price action is looking off of this bullish fair value gap. It's looking beautiful so far. We got 3 more minutes until the 10-20 macro is over with. So I'm gonna cut stops in half. Well, actually, nah. We're gonna leave stops where they at. We only got 375 on the table. We in profit 2x. We can afford to lose 375. Edge is present. Target is locked and loaded, and we just gonna let the trade ride out how it's supposed to ride out. Yes.
The losses are behind us. And if you think about it, it's all just one big circle. Inside a circle. Inside a circle.
Price definitely moving a little bit choppy.
Inner circle. Trader. With a line through the circle to make a X.
But I want to see some speed and efficiency over these last 3 minutes of this 10-20 at macro. I want to see some type of speed and efficiency, at least toward the draw on these equal highs.
Hey, if you had a red day yesterday, just turn the page. Get your broker statement, get it printed out, and just turn the page. Turn the page, Chad. Don't worry about that broker statement. Just turn the page. And what you can't see, you can't see. Think about that. I bet you don't think about that, do you? People be like, how many losses you got? I'm like, I don't look at them. If you don't look at how many losses you have, did you even realize the losses? No one's using their brain like that, you know?
Based on where we at, I may close this trade at break even because we're not getting the efficiency and the speed that I want. But I'm trying to hold on. I'm trying not to close out my trades early.
You know, if you're a day trader, you don't want to go to a funeral of a day trader because, you know, it's bad luck, man. You don't want to hear about another day trader getting taken out, man. You're like, I gotta believe that, you know, I'm never gonna get taken out here. Right now, the Nasdaq number back up here right now is at 620 area. 640, the VWAP loading range high there as well.
I wish I could have got my entry a little bit below, like at the top of this fair value gap. I gotta get more aggressive with my entries, B.
Get absolutely demolished here, my friend.
But it's okay.
This market is going. And so I called the market makers that said, hey, we got a live one. We got a live one. He's got a stop loss at the 680s. He's got a stop loss at the 680s. Get ready for it. Matt Kors is speaking out, Patrick. Out at what? What's he speaking out at? Not speaking out on me, I know that. He can go back and
Okay, we didn't quite hit our 1-to-1. Almost. Price is really giving us a lot of bearish algorithmic signatures right here at these highs, which I'm not really fond of, to be quite honest. But I'm trying to let the trade just play out.
Ruben's chilling. He knows a massive drop is coming. Fuck. A massive? How big is a massive drop?
Can we close above these levels with some strength? Can we get above them?
Get ready, Chad.
Okay, so we got to our 1-to-1. I'm moving stops to break even. I'm moving stops to break even.
Ruben Murray.
We got to our 1-to-1. So I'm gonna move this to break even.
Hey, the thing about Michael Murray though is, well, you know, he was wrong for a long time.
Okay, we're getting a displacement towards the upside that I like.
For a long time.
Fuck. Okay, we're getting a liquidity sweep. Draws on liquidity. Draws on liquidity. Are we aiming to? We getting toward London's draws. Let's go. Come on. We may not get all the way there.
Ruben. Come out to play. Come out to play. Come out.
I'm just gonna move my stops to break even at this point. I don't even want to take nothing off. I don't want to. I'm just gonna move them to break even. Where we at right now? 7470 in profit. Awesome.
Right now. Ruben stop loss. This is the market. This is Ruben stop loss.
How many points in profit are we? Are we 60 in profit? Okay.
That's the market. This is Ruben stop loss right now.
We're 60. I gotta take something off.
Order filled.
I gotta take something off. Been a long ass morning. Now let me just put my stops at break even, and we just gonna let this motherfucker ride. Cool. Either way it go, a nigga day gonna end green. So I just gotta chill. Ultimate TP at 24713. We gonna let that ride. Gonna let that motherfucker do what it do. Beautiful execution today, regardless of the outcome. This was beautiful. Literally, like, beautiful execution. Like I say, draws on liquidity over market structure. We had our draw on liquidity sitting right here at these equal highs. Like I said, we at least was going to them equal highs. We got to that target, and now we just waiting to see if price going to continue to go toward the next draw on liquidity, which would be London's highs, but it could possibly retrace with all of this bearish momentum that we do have, and we are outside of the macro, so it may not continue with the bullish momentum. How much am I in profit right now? I wanted to enter a little bit heavier, but I'm just trying to let the market play out.
Since this level here, the market has almost went. Damn it. Why did I listen to this? Hey, by the way, we're just messing around. Everybody loves Ruben around here. We're just
Look at this fucking market. We drawing towards London's highs. Drawing toward London highs. That draw is crazy.
nothing against Ruben.
That draw is motherfucking crazy.
But the market is about to fuck his stop loss real good. Fucking A, man. That's 100 points, Ruben. That's 100.
I'm not gonna lie. I may just go ahead and start closing majority of my position.
100 points, Ruben. From my initial long where you.
Fuck.
Ruben, 100 points ago, Ruben said it was a short.
Yes, let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. We getting better every day, y'all. We definitely getting better every day. Most definitely.
Nah, been training, bro.
I appreciate that, Troy. No cap. No fucking cap. I'm gonna be so modest.
Order filled.
I'm gonna be modest right here and just leave one contract on, just because like I dead ass don't care about the money right now. I'm really proud of the trading today. Like, I'm just proud of the trading today. No cap. Definitely could have made way more money, but we played it safe just because price was looking crazy. I had conviction in my draws on liquidity. Everything played out how I wanted it to. We're coming off a green streak. Haven't lost a trade in like a few weeks. So I didn't want to come to the market. And we max liquidated an account on Friday. So I didn't want to come to the market with a point to prove. I didn't want to come to try to make the most money. I wanted to really focus on my execution and my patience. And we dead ass was like beautiful execution today. So the profits, I wanted to make sure I didn't even really stress them too much. Like any day where we up over 5 is a decent day. First day back, definitely could have had $1,000 day, but we cool. We are like cool. We caught our 90 already. Did we catch our 90? Yeah, like we definitely caught our 90, so I could just auto way close out. But I'm gonna let that one contract float. Shit. Or I could, yeah.
Someone said, Ruben, what strategy was that so that I don't use it? Oh, man.
They funny as shit.
I love Ruben
Where am I sitting
pulling
at
out
right
the
now?
trade and sticking with it. So, no, hey, again, we've all had a losing trade. It happens. It's part of it. So,
I'm gonna actually just close.
Order filled.
I'm just tired of sitting here.
and let me know
All right,
any
I'm done for the
issues.
day.
All right,
I'm fucking done.
let me know so that way I know when to get
Definitely left some bread on the table, but I want my piece. I want my fucking piece. Cool little 500.
at. I would like to see
Show back up tomorrow. Do the same shit.
650. I mean, it's just, it's, you know,
Damn, content. We content right here.